Hello, I am Radina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and educator with over 12 years of experience within the nail industry. Today in this video, I'm showing you how to perform e-file manicure in real salon setting. This includes cuticle pushback and controlled e-file exfoliation combined e-file manicure, also called Russian manicure. This is not rushed. This is in real time. I'm showing you how to do it very quickly in salon setting for only 7 minutes. So let's dive in. In this video, we are starting by pushing back the cuticles with orange wood stick because you can open up the nail fold with the orange wood stick much better, and you can see that I am angling it so it doesn't sit completely straight. It sits slightly on an angle. This way you can actually open up the nail fold and get your bit underneath. So pushing back the cuticles typically happens very quickly. This client comes every 4 weeks. She comes regularly on every 4 weeks or so, sometimes 3, depending on her schedule. Happens very quickly. Pushing back the cuticles happens very quickly unless they are severely stuck. Then you're taking slightly more time to separate them, but it's crucial to separate and open that nail fold because otherwise you're going to damage the natural nails and you're going to create rings of fire. These are circled bits where your e-file has been digging onto the nail. So that's our cuticles pushback, and this only took about a minute or so, very quickly. So next step is to choose the right e-file bit. In my case, I am going to use a medium red with red abrasive mark e-file flame bit. This is my salon standard bit, and you can see how on some places where I cannot reach properly, I'm always pushing back the skin with my fingers. So we're going to repeat the whole step onto all 10 fingers very quickly. Sometimes this process can take you slightly longer if your client is not a regular and her cuticles are slightly more hard and slightly more severe. Someone that does not come for regular manicures, but this is a person that comes every couple of weeks, so with her things happen slightly easier. This process typically takes about 15 minutes, no longer than 20 minutes in the very worst cases, which are the cases that we see quite not very often in our salons. People coming with very stuck cuticles, people who are working quite, they're heavy with their hands and never had manicures. But normally no more than 10-15 minutes. This is a standard, sometimes 15 minutes including your nail prep as well. So I am always going on to working one direction and then changing into reverse. So forward doing one side, and now I am changing into reverse. This client doesn't need a lot. The old hangnail or those bits onto the fingertips, where especially in this winter season, they are starting to get slightly more rough, but this is something completely normal for this season of the year. If you like to learn proper e-file manicures, I have a whole course onto my website, which includes a professional e-file cuticle prep, where I am explaining in-depth cuticle preparation using a professional e-file methods. Russian style manicure, where you put the gel polish under the cuticle as well. This specific masterclass is on gel polish, but you can use the same technique to any nail coatings as well. This includes a gel, long-lasting gel application that lasts you always over 3 weeks, and my way of prepping the nails for this long-lasting manicure. Includes professional gel polish application, where I am going underneath the cuticle that gives you the Russian-like effect, and it also includes a polishing of the cuticles, which is essential after you have cut them, to polish the cuticles. And you always have a bonus, which is a nail art and essential client aftercare advice. E-file manicures might look very easy to you, but they require a lot of experience and proper nail education and proper adequate training as well. You can cause a lot of damage if you do not know how to if you do not know the correct pressure, and the angle of your e-file is incorrect, you can cause a lot of severe nail damage that can last for life, and your clients or yourself might never recover their nails from it. So it is essential to train properly if you're using e-files, and if you're performing Russian manicures. As such, does not matter how aggressive or kinder you perform them, you must be properly trained and understanding the nail anatomy as well. I completely forgot to mention earlier that my e-file course is completely online, so it's available worldwide, and you can take it from anywhere at your own pace, and you get lifetime access with me. E-file manicure requires control, awareness, and respect for the natural nail. When performed correctly, it improves both finish and client comfort. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. You're helping me to create more of this content, and let me know what was today's take into the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I am Radina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and educator, founder and owner of Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy and the Nail Wiki for free nail education. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys very soon.